This is how ordinary people make 10 million. No luck. No lottery. Just one method. Most people think this is impossible for them. He was just like you right now. But he found one simple money secret. He had a normal job, a normal paycheck. He started with just a little cash. He looked at his small savings honestly. He decided to save 20%, always. Every month, he invested that money first. He put it straight into the stock market. He let his money grow on autopilot. He did this every single month, consistently. He didn't touch it. He just waited. He skipped luxuries. He invested the difference. Slowly, his small account started growing. His investment account kept quietly compounding. He talked to an advisor, stayed the course. His savings turned into real, growing wealth. He kept working, kept saving, kept investing. Then, he started a small side hustle. 2 income streams, both feeding one goal. His side hustle slowly became a business. His investments kept growing in the background. His business started gaining real momentum now. He reinvested every extra dollar he made. His wealth was quietly snowballing bigger now. 2 income streams, both rising together fast. 10 years passed. His patience was paying off. He upgraded his home, but kept investing. Years kept passing. He never stopped saving. His net worth kept climbing, steadily higher. His investments were now seriously substantial. 20 years in, his wealth multiplied further. Compounding was now working in his favor. He built a small team around him. His wealth was becoming seriously significant now. He could finally see the finish line. His investments had grown beyond his expectations. 30 years later, he reached 10 million. His money tree had grown enormous, finally. He smiled, knowing the secret really worked. He stood on top of his success. This is what patience and consistency build. He looks back at how far he's come. He's the same person, just very different now. Same guy. Same goal. Totally new life. This isn't luck. This is simple math. Save. Invest. Repeat. That's the whole secret. Start today, and your future self thanks you.